as we can see, it is not severe, but an ugly lightning storm that's blew up Lake Michigan. Pretty bad enough. They had to unplug electronics. Lightning's got pretty intense. Now I took a photo about the crowds about a few minutes ago. I don't know if I can show you on the phone or not, but I'm gonna check layout real quick anyway. About ready to shut this one off real bit. Right now, these things just kind of blew up. I'm not sure the one in Michigan City's ugly or not. But here we go right here. I don't know if you can see it. I doubt you can see it, but anyway, in the end of the video. Holy fuck! Motherfucker! Excuse my language, man. Holy shit! Fuck this! I'm turning this computer off. Holy shit! Highlight of the fucking year right now. Go down here. Huh. Oh. Huh. I apologize with the language, but this caught me off guard. Holy shit. I just got my computer shut off right away. I mean, I could jerk the Doppler layout on my phone. This one deserved to be a table. I'm not going to be out here looking at it, but right now, let me get the camera sit down somewhere real quick. Let me get a table real quick so I can set one outside. Not hearing much, so we could do some part of the video. I gotta use the window movie maker.